Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access data on Geo when your primary plan is exhausted. We will cover official methods like emergency data loans and how to potentially share data with family. Understanding these options can help you stay connected without an immediate recharge. We will also look at other ways to get some extra data or manage your usage effectively. Let's dive into the details and explore these helpful features to keep you online. Geo offers an emergency data loan facility for prepaid users. If you run out of data, you can instantly borrow 1 gigabyte or 2 gigabytes of high-speed data. This can be activated easily through the MyGeo application by navigating to the emergency data loan section. Alternatively, you can use specific UST codes like 52141. The borrowed data costs 11 rupees per gigabyte, which you can conveniently repay with your next recharge. While direct data transfer between individual prepaid numbers is not generally available, Geo Postpaid Plus family plans offer a convenient data sharing feature. Account holders can transfer up to 50% of their total data limit to family members. This can be done as a one-time transfer or set up as a recurring monthly allocation through the MyGeo application. It's a great way to manage data for your entire family under a single plan. Beyond emergency loans and family sharing, there are other ways to get data. The MyGeo app frequently hosts games and contests where you can win free data, sometimes up to 20 gigabytes. Also, keep an eye out for special promotional offers or welcome benefits that Geo might provide. Lastly, always connect to available Wi-Fi networks whenever possible to significantly reduce your mobile data consumption and make your existing data last longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.